Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, let's see what Google sent out to me in this box. It says Google Pixel Collection. But before I get into this box, and y'all know what I'm gonna say already, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, hashtag Team Pixel sent us out the Google Pixel 7 Pro, but they also added a surprise that I wasn't aware of and didn't think I was getting. They added the Pixel Watch in here too. So in this video, I'm gonna just do a quick unboxing of what's in here, but then I'm gonna just go ahead and do the unboxing of the 7 Pro. Then I'm gonna come back and show y'all more about the watch, but let's get into it. Gotta love the presentation. Hashtag gift from Google. It says Team Pixel. You get to see my ugly mug up there. What a presentation though. I like this microfiber cloth. And here is the 7 Pro. Man, that is shiny. Well, that is the obsidian color. I think they sent me out the 128 gigs. We put that on the side. Here is the watch. I did have it powered on. So the watch with the gray band, it is small though, looking compared to that. But we'll come back to this. Stay tuned. Watch for another video on the Pixel Watch. Let me take this apart. Nothing else is in here. Here is the Pixel 7 Pro. Man, what a great looking phone. What y'all think about the shiny back? I wish they had a matte finish. Not gonna lie. Let's see if we have any power. While we getting that powered on, let's go over the specs really quick too. And then let's see what you get in the box, because I do still have the box here. Here's the retail box of it. 7 Pro. More information down there, so I can still call this an unboxing, I guess. First look. So you get some books, and then you get the USB Type-C charging cable, and then the data cable here. But that is pretty much everything in the box. No charging brick again. Wouldn't expect anything different. But it says welcome to your Pixel. But let's go over it. So the front, let's go over the front. Let's go over to the main display on here. So you have a 6.7-inch LTPO OLED panel. The resolution is 1440 by 3120. It goes up to 120 hertz refresh rate, so it varies depending on what you do. Also, it has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery with fast charging, Android 13 straight out the box. It also has that new Tensor chip in here, the G2, which I'm excited to try out. It's supposed to be quicker and more efficient. It comes with 12 gigs of RAM. This is 128 gigs of storage, but you can get 256 and 512. The front camera is a 10 megapixel camera, supposed to be better than last year. And then on the rear of this device, you have a 50 megapixel main shooter, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, shout out to the ultra wide crew, and a 48 megapixel telephoto lens. But look at the lenses on this thing. I do like how the little lens thing is a little bit thinner than the, say, 7 Pro or 6 Pro or the 6. And then let's go over the phone itself. So you have the power button, the volume rockers down here. You have your SIM card slot. It does eSIM too. You have your charging port, microphone, and a speaker. And then also another microphone up there. Which I think. Look at that compared to the, here's the 6. Now the 6 is a little bit heavier. This one is not as heavy. The 7 Pro is not as heavy. But it also has wireless charging. It comes with fast wireless charging, should I say. Water resistant IP68. So it has all the bells and whistles for a flagship for the price of $899, which is not a bad price when you look at what you have here. Now I do have the 7 coming in also from T-Mobile, but what do y'all think? I'm gonna pause the video, let me set it up. It also has face unlock on here now, which is something that a lot of people were complaining about that the 6 and the 6 Pro did not have. But let's get into it. Let me pause the video, I'll be right back. Okay everyone, so I'm back. Here it is. A couple things I wanted to point out, that the curve on here is not as bad as the 6 Pro was. And then also the curve on the back, it feels great in the hands. It's not as heavy as say the 6 was. The 6 is kind of heavy compared to this. The face unlock is great. Watch this. Now I'm doing this around the camera too, but as you can tell, it's pretty quick. Also the fingerprint scanner. I mean, I haven't missed it yet. Let's try this thumb. That unlocked with the Face ID. I'm trying to do this on the camera and not get my face in there. So the fingerprint scanner works good. The Face ID is really quick. I mean, that is really quick. So also, let's go into the settings real quick. You can see I have 110 gigs of storage left. It's downloading some of the apps. But this is the Pixel 7 Pro. Y'all let me know what other videos you want to see on this device from me. But let's do a quick comparison too. Here's the 6. You can tell that the 7 Pro is a little bit taller. Bam, that is the size. Also, the size is a polished aluminum. I wish this was like kind of matte too. That's the biggest thing too. This will show off fingerprints. I wish this was a matte finish. But here's the 6A. Look at it. Look at the back. Look at that camera cutouts. That is so. And then here's the Motorola Edge. Let's see which one's taller. The 7 Pro is a little bit taller and wider. But look at the back of that. But yeah, I do wish the back was a matte finish, but I mean it does. I mean, it's a beautiful phone. Now stay tuned to the channel. I'm gonna have more coming up with this device. I probably would do a comparison, say maybe with the Fold, a camera comparison with the 7, gaming reviews. Y'all know what I do on this channel, but y'all let me know what else you want to see from me. Also, I will be unboxing the watch really soon too, so look out for that. Case videos are coming. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel 7 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Ford's Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Again, shout out to Team Pixel and hashtag Get from Google. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.